Welcome to Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies. My name is Kevin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys an all-new product, the Glyon Snap and Go Mobility Scooter. This is a non-medical device and it is considered a sports scooter. It is great for travel and leisure activities. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about it. The first thing I want to start off with is the folding of the scooter. The scooter itself only weighs 32 pounds. It's one of the most lightweight scooters in the market, and it's super easy to fold and move around. The first step in the folding process is the seat itself. The seat is able to just slide right off. The seat is only 11 pounds, so it's a super lightweight seat. From here, you have the seat post. That just pulls right out, and there's a nice compact storage for it right there where you can store it in. The last thing to do in the folding process is to do the snap, as they say in the snap and go. The way you do this is there's a silver pedal right here. You're just going to push down on that, and this drops all the way down and locks in place. When you have the scooter folded, it's actually very easy now to get it moving and travel with it. The scooter itself has two handle loops here, great for using it as a dolly to move around. And you can also stand it up as well, so it doesn't take up too much space. Now I'm going to unfold it and cover some of the other great reasons why this is great for travel. Again, to unfold, it's the silver tab. You push that down, your tiller is going to click in place. You just want to slide in your seat post, and then your seat slides right in as well. This scooter is great for both airline and cruise ship travel. Airline because it has an FAA approved lightweight 5-pound lithium ion battery, and for cruise ship because it's very compact and very easy to get through narrow spaces. From here, I want to dive in and just talk about some of the specs of the scooter. The scooter itself can go about 13 miles on a full charge. It has 3 separate speed settings, with your top speed being 7 miles per hour, which is faster than a lot of other mobility scooters. Now we're going to go over some of the controls and just a few things about the module over here for the Snap and Go. First, you have a nice big basket here that's about a foot deep by almost about 10 inches across, so it's a nice big basket that also velcros shut and is water resistant. From there, you have the main brake of the scooter. Unlike most scooters, this scooter has a manual brake, which the user will actually have to pull to slow down and then lock in place using that top mechanism there. When the scooter is locked, it does not move. Even though I'm jerking it back and forth, it does not move at all, which is very good. From here, you have your bell, and you have the reverse lever, which is right down here by where my finger is. On the right hand side here, this is where we have our power button. So it's the middle button here to press and hold to turn the scooter on. And we have our up and our down arrows. This adjusts our speed. And we have our right switch here, which will take us forward. If we look at the center console here, the unit itself has our battery life at the top. It has the speed we are currently going. The top speed on the scooter is 7 miles per hour. It has our speed settings. So we have 1, 2, and 3. We have our temperature, and then we also have the mileage traveled. This is a brand new scooter, so it does not have any mileage clocked in as of yet. The Snap and Go scooter weighs only 32 pounds, holds up to 300 pounds, and offers great legroom for taller individuals. We recommend customers to come and try this out in our showroom located in Sherman Oaks, California. Thank you guys for tuning into our video.